So hello guys, Team Pikachu here. So for Hexafalls hackathon, we have basically built a VSCode extension which can do couple of things. First of all, if I run this extension and you can see the features on that, you have to click on what the code icon. This is our project name. I hope you will like it. And under main actions, you can see the main features. Alright. So first of all, I want to show you that the file I have imported here. This is a full stack project called family file. It is having Firebase in the backend. And if I search here, ask on the ask your code function, like where is the user authentication part written, maybe something like that. It will take some couple of seconds, and it will give you results, right? By the way, it is having Gemini API in the backend, so it is fetching data from there. And on the search results, okay, wait, yeah. On the search results, you are having the results. So you can see on the line number 12 under auth file. So we have to go into that file auth Um, yeah, here it is. So we have to go to the application as well. Under the line number 12, from line number 12 specifically, it is having the Firebase authentication method imported for user login. So you can see the import auth from config and under that Firebase. Okay, so this is one example. They are having multiple authentication files in line number 22, 30 as well, also in login.tsx files. Okay, this was our first feature. This is just a demo prompt. You can search anything in that and it will give you the expected results. Okay, so next we are having save snapshot. So how does this work? So suppose you are changing a small part in your code base, but you are not sure enough that it will work or not. It might even break your program, right? And you suppose pushing into the GitHub is kind of hassle every time, right? So what you can do is you will just select the part of the code you are wanting to change. You don't have to copy anything. You will just go under code snapshots and you tap on that icon called save snapshot. It will then have auth.context.tsx written here. What it is just it has just copied the whole context, whole code base of that file into that. Okay, so it will just when you click on that, it will just create a copy of the file so that you can use it instead of the main file later. So that suppose your main file has been corrupted, so here you are having a history, right, a log. So you can just use that instead of the main file. So you will not have any problem. Okay. Also, in the main code base, I don't want to save that for now. In the main file, you will have another folder as well called DI snapshots. Here you will have a .json file which will have all the metadata of the required code base you have copied from there. Okay, so it is much of a convenient process. It is nothing that much different than Git stash if you have used that, but yeah, it is something like that. So our third and the last feature is date code analysis. Suppose you are having some unused functions or inputs maybe in your code base and they are not actually being used by your app, but they are there somehow. By coding or something you made and it is not being used. So to detect that and to remove that obviously, but we have not been yet implemented the removal function till now. So it will just detect the date codes, right? So for that, I have created another sample file for that. I will just import that from here. It is having a lot of date codes here. Okay, it is just having some basic configs in app.js which are actually working, and the other like date service. It is all date code. It is not doing anything. So you can just go here under date code analysis and you will have the first options, analyze date code. You just have to click on that and it will take just 2 or 3 seconds and it will get completed. So if you click on view report, what you will see is it has given you all the issues that you are having, all the date codes maybe. First of all, you can see under app.js there are 7 issues. Also, the line number has been listed. That line number 16, 12, 33, 99, 128, 194, and also the definitions why these are dead. I mean, not why, which are the functions and ports are dead. Also, there are another date components.js named file which are having this type of things. Also, there are some fundamental issues like unused imports. You can work on that as well. Okay. So this much we are having for now. We will also add some new language supports in future like Python, Kotlin, Java, whatever it is. So this much was from our side. Thank you.